Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear girls? Inshallah, today I'm going to explain for you lesson 6, and it is the last lesson in unit 2. It is titled Save Our Planet. Of course, you know that our planet is the Earth. When we say save our planet, it means that our Earth or our planet Earth is in danger and we should do something in order to save it. Why is our Earth is in danger and how to save it? This is what we are going to talk about now. In the past, people believed that they were free to use the natural resources of the environment in any way they chose. Our environment provides many resources like air, land, water, minerals, animals, and plants. Of course, you know these things are called the natural resources. And natural resources, people can never make them. They just get them from nature. Only Allah is the one who made it, who made these natural resources for us. What should we do for the natural resources? To use them badly or use them in a good way? To be careful about them or take care of them, or be careless about them? Look at the people on the picture. This girl is cutting the flowers and there is a sign that say you should not cut flowers. That boy is throwing trash in the river. That boy is catching fish, and there's a sign that is not that say that it's not allowed to catch fish here. Also, this car is making a lot of smoke, and that smoke can make pollution for the air. So all these people are using natural resources in a bad way. They do not respect or do not protect natural resources. So the first problem that we should save our planet from is the problem of using natural resources badly. So what should we do in order to save our planet and take care of natural resources? Let us read how to do this. Human activities require us to use Earth's natural resources. We need to conserve our resources. The word conserve means use them carefully and take care of them. So this is how to solve this problem. How to solve the problem of this of the careless use of natural resources is that we should conserve our resources. Conserve our resources is a solution for this problem, because protecting our natural resources can make sure that the future generations can enjoy them too. Of course, we should conserve our natural resources, use them carefully and protect them, because we need the coming generations or the people who will come in the future to enjoy them and to find them or find enough of them for them. So this is the first problem. If we solve it like this, we can save our planet. The next problem will be global warming. What is global warming? You can feel that the earth is getting so hot these days, hotter than the past. This is a problem of global warming. The global warming is that the earth is getting warmer. This is called global warming. Human activities are speeding up global warming. Why? All of you look at this picture. I will explain the lesson using the picture, not by reading. So the problem of global warming is that the earth is getting hotter and hotter and warmer every year. Some activities for people or for humans cause global warming. The first one and the most dangerous one is deforestation. Deforestation means destroying the forests. And why deforestation causes global warming? Look here. The trees are green plants. Of course, you know that the green plants produce oxygen for the living things on earth in the photosynthesis process, as you have studied in science. When we cut down the trees like this, there will not be enough green plants or green trees to produce oxygen. When we have less oxygen on earth and more carbon dioxide, this will cause the earth to get so hot. If there is more oxygen or good oxygen on earth, the oxygen reduces the temperature of earth. But when we do like this for the forests, this will increase CO2 or carbon dioxide, and the oxygen will not be enough. Also, the trees protect us from the sun's rays. Of course, you know that under the trees we can enjoy the shade. So when we cut down the trees like this, we call this deforestation. And when we destroy the forest like this, we are destroying the lungs of the earth. And in this way, we cannot find enough oxygen. And this cause global warming. Using aerosols like insecticides and perfumes, or using too much of them, can cause global warming. Why? Because around the earth there is an atmosphere. That atmosphere, these aerosols cause holes in the atmosphere and allow the bad rays of the sun to go inside the earth and reach us. The bad use of ACs or air conditioners and fridges also can cause global warming, because inside the fridge you can notice something like a white smoke that comes out of the fridge when you open it. That white smoke is not a smoke, it's a substance or a kind of gas that is called Furion. This Furion is used, the same one is used here in the AC. This gas is used for cooling. This gas is so harmful for the atmosphere layers that protect us from the bad rays of the sun. This gas, when it comes out from the AC, when it comes out from the fridge and fly high in the sky, it can cause holes in the ozone layer around the earth, and this will allow the bad rays of the sun to go inside, causing global warming and high temperatures on earth. So how to solve this problem? If we use the AC and the fridges carefully, and keep the houses closed well, if we wanted to open or use them, so like this we can protect our earth. Also, if we started to grow new trees and stop cutting more trees, we can solve the problem of global warming. Also, if we reduce or use less aerosols like this one, we can solve this problem. All the other problems, the smoke that come out from factories, the smoke that come out from fires, the smoke that come out or gas emissions that come out from means of transport or buses and cars, also the gas emissions that come out from factories, all these things we should control them or help to make them less in order to reduce the problem of global warming, because actually global warming can affect the life on earth greatly and cause so many people and the plants to die. So this is the problem of global warming and how to protect our earth from this problem and save our planet. Okay, now let us go for the last problem, deforestation and pollution. Of course, I told you about deforestation. Look at this picture and look at this one. This is a forest. Can you see how the people are cutting down the trees until they remove all the forest? Sometimes they remove forests in order to make the land for growing some crops that are suitable for the animals and the people. Maybe they are cutting down the trees and removing forests to build roads and new cities. Anyway, removing forests like this or destroying forests is called deforestation. So, human activities are destroying forests all over the world. This is known as deforestation. So, deforestation is destroying the forests. If it does not stop, soon there may not be any more forests left on earth, and this is a very big problem and a very serious problem, because the forests are like the lungs for the earth. They produce oxygen for the people and the creatures on earth. If we have no more forests, it means that we are not going to have enough oxygen for all the creatures on earth. Here, and the last problem is the problem of pollution. Pollution is a change that can be caused for the natural resources and that makes them unsuitable for our use. Like this, water is natural resources. When we make the water so dirty by the oil emissions that come out from this ship or that come out from the factory, like this, water has become polluted and it is not now suitable for the use of the people. Also, these rains are polluted. Why? Because not polluted. When we put fertilizers and the chemicals on the ground, the rain will go down, will fall on the ground. The rain will take these chemicals and take them to the water. Like this, the water has become polluted. We can see pollution in dirty places, in the smoke that come out of factories, in the chemicals that can be used in these machines or in cars or in buses or in ships, or even the chemicals that come out from the factories and spilled in the water. Like this, this is pollution. Of course, we should protect our earth from pollution in order to live a healthy life, because people will never be healthy in polluted places. If we solve the problem of pollution, we can save our planet and save our lives. That was the end of our lesson today. I hope that you are going to think carefully what should you do in order to save your planet and keep your environment healthy, to live a healthy life and stay healthy all the time. Thanks for being with me, and goodbye till we meet again.